Good morning, students. Today we will start with the topic objective of accounting. So first point over here, that is keep systematic record of the business transaction. As in the process we have recorded the financial transaction that can be measured in terms of money. So now after recording the transaction, we have to classify each and every transaction by posting them into a ledger. Then we have to summarize it and make the income statement from the same. Second point is there calculation of a profit and loss. Calculation of a profit and loss here means by preparing the trading account and by preparing the P&L account, we will calculate the gross profit and net profit in the business. This trading account always reveals the gross profit oblique gross loss, and this P&L account shows the net profit or net loss after meeting all the operating and non-operating expenses. Now, third one is there, that is depicts the financial position over here. For finding the financial position, we have to prepare the balance sheet. We have to prepare the balance sheet that shows the financial soundness of a company. That shows the financial soundness of an enterprise, and this financial soundness is found by knowing the value of assets, liabilities and capital at the end of the financial year. मीन्स हम यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन बिजनेस की कैसे एसेटेन कर सकते हैं बाय प्रिपेयरिंग द बैलेंस शीट, एंड दैट बैलेंस शीट शोज द फाइनेंशियल साउंडनेस ऑफ एन एंटरप्राइज, एंड दिस फाइनेंशियल साउंडनेस शोज कि दैट हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ एसेट्स, how much amount of liabilities and how much amount of capital is there at the end of the accounting period. Now facilitates management. Facilitates management here means this helps the management to take managerial decision, to take the managerial decision. As you know very well that what type of managerial decisions the management takes, they will analyze and interpret the results by using so many tools, that is cash flow statement, fund flow statement, ratio analysis, budgetary control, so many tools are there. So this helps the management to take the managerial decision and also helps in effective control, means by the information of accounting they will make a effective control in the business. Next is there provides accounting information to the users. Who are users over here? Users here means end users. As already we have discussed, so many users are there: internal user, external user. External user may be in the form of creditor, maybe in the form of bankers, maybe in the form of government. So many researchers, so many end users are there, and internal users are there like employees, like management. But this provides the information to the various end users. Why they are providing the information to the various end users? So that they can use this information according to their ऑब्जेक्टिव, वो अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव के अकॉर्डिंग इस इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज कर सकें. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज देयर हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग इंटरफर्म कंपैरिजन. एज यू नो वेरी वेल कि इंटरफर्म कंपैरिजन मींस अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन जो हमारे पास आती है, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ अकाउंटिंग? टू हेल्प टू मेक द इंटरफर्म कंपैरिजन और टू मेक द इंटरफर्म कंपैरिजन. सो दैट्स व्हाई these are the various objectives of the accounting that keep systematic record of business transaction by classifying the records, by preparing the income statement, calculation of profit and loss, by preparing the trading account and P&L account, depicts the financial position of the business by finding the financial soundness of a business by preparing balance sheet, facilitates the management to make an effective control in a business enterprise, provides accounting information to various end users so that they can use this information according to their objective, helps in making inter-firm comparisons so that we can make a comparison over here ki whether our firm is in profit as compared to last year or not, whether the different means same branch is having a good profit according to my as compared to my branch or not. So that's why so many so that they can make a inter-firm comparison. So these are the objective of the accounting.